How to share others video story on your story on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to share others video story on your Instagram story. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, update your application and open up or log in into your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your Instagram account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Now there are different ways of sharing other story on your story. So first of all, what you can do is, if you're mentioned on their story, then you can directly add it to your story. So in my case, as you can see, this particular user has actually tagged me to their story. So if you want to add it to your story, then tap the add to your story button. As soon as you do that, the particular video will be added to your story. However, if the other person has not mentioned you on their story, now for example, let's go with this one, then what you can do is you can simply take the help of your screen recorder and record this particular video, and after that you can post it to your story. Otherwise, you can also take a screenshot if it is just an image. So what you can do is you can just swipe down, and after that you'll be able to find the screen recorder feature inbuilt into your device. Here, as you can see, this is the particular one. So currently I'm taking a screen record. I'll not be able to use it twice. So that's basically how you can share others video story onto your story. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.